Ano sa English ang konsentidor at utu-uto? Okay, umpisahan muna natin sa konsentidor. In English, we can use the word enabler if we mean konsentidor in Filipino. So yan yung pinakamalapit na term na naiisip ko dun sa word na konsentidor. And according to dictionary.com, an enabler is a person who enables or supports someone else's bad or dysfunctional behavior. So the word enabler is a noun. Tony's mother is an enabler who makes a lot of excuses for his alcoholism and his bad treatment of his wife. So his mother is an enabler, konsentidor. Ano naman sa English ang utu-uto? Ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng utu-uto? Ito yung madaling maniwala sa kung ano yung sinasabi sa kanya. Hindi na nag-iisip, madaling maisahan. Ang naiisip kong word na noun para dyan ay fool. If you are a fool, it means you are an uto-uto. What's the meaning of gullible? Gullible means easily deceived or tricked and too willing to believe everything that other people say. That's according to Cambridge Dictionary. For example, the gullible woman gave all of her money to a fake charity. So, ang word na gullible ay ginagamit para i-describe yung word na woman. Gullible woman. Ano sa English ang utang na loob? Ang pinakamalapit na English expression dyan ay debt of gratitude or debt of thanks. According to Longman Dictionary, debt of gratitude means the fact of being grateful to someone who has helped you. So we use the idiom to owe someone a debt of gratitude or owe someone a debt of thanks. For example, I owe my big sister a debt of gratitude. I wouldn't have finished my studies if not for her. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, malaki ang utang na loob ko sa aking ate. Hindi ako makakapagtapos ng pag-aaral kung hindi dahil sa kanya. Pwede niyong dagdagan niya ng mga adjectives like huge, big, great, deep. For example, I owe my parents a deep debt of thanks for all they've done for me. Balimbing po next. Okay. As far as I know, the word balimbing has two definitions here in the Philippines. The first one is the fruit that looks like this. It's called the star fruit in English. And did you know that the word balimbing can be found in Merriam-Webster dictionary? I just learned that it's also called carambola. Now, the other definition of balimbing is someone who reverses their principles, someone who changes or switches to the opposite side or party. In English, that's called a turncoat. Some synonymous words to that are traitor and renegade. Remember, though, that the word renegade has other definitions. Can you think of another synonymous word to turncoat?